Glycolysis. What is glycolysis? A process where one molecule of glucose is split into two molecules of pyruvate by a series of reactions. It takes place in cytoplasm. Step 1. Phosphorylation. A phosphate group is transferred from ATP to glucose catalyzed by hexokinase. Glucose is phosphorylated to become glucose 6-phosphate. ATP is needed to convert to ADP, releasing one phosphate group attached to glucose producing G6P. Step 2. Isomerization. Glucose 6-phosphate is converted to its isomer, fructose 6-phosphate. Step 3. Phosphorylation. Fructose 6-phosphate is phosphorylated to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate by catalyzed by phosphofructokinase. ATP convert ADP producing is one phosphor group attached to first carbon of fructose producing fructose 1,6-biphosphate. Step 4. Cleavage. Fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is split into two different 3-carbon sugars, which are glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate G3P and dihydroxyacetone phosphate DHAP. Step 5. Isomerization. Isomerase catalyzes the reversible conversion between the two isomers. DHAP is enzymatically converted to its isomer, which is G3P, for further metabolism in glycolysis. Step 6. Oxidation and phosphorylation. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is oxidized by the transfer of electron and H+ to NAD+, convert it to NADH. A phosphate group is then attached to the oxidized substrate. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is converted to 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. Step 7. Substrate level phosphorylation. Phosphate group is transferred from C1 of 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate to ADP to form ATP. 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate is converted to 3-phosphoglycerate. Step 8. Isomerization. Relocation of phosphate group from the third carbon to second carbon in 3-phosphoglycerate. 3-phosphoglycerate is rearranged to 2-phosphoglycerate. Step 9. Dehydration. Water molecule is removed from 2-phosphoglycerate to form phosphoenol pyruvate (PEP). 2-phosphoglycerate is converted to phosphoenol pyruvate (PEP). Step 10. Substrate level phosphorylation. Phosphate group is transferred from PEP to ADP to form ATP. Phosphoenol pyruvate is converted to pyruvate. So, the end products of this glycolysis process are 2 molecules ATP, 2 molecules NADH, and 2 molecules of pyruvate.